In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Hubspot. This integration helps you automatically move work from your CRM into your project management tool, so tasks are created and updated without manual copying. To get started, log into your Zapier or Make account. Choose whichever platform you already use, since the steps are very similar. When you sign in, you should land on your dashboard. From there, you will create a new automation, sometimes called a scenario in Make, or a zap in Zapier. Next, create a new scenario or zap. Look for a button that says something like Create, New, or Make a Zap. After you click it, you will usually see a screen that asks you to pick a trigger and an action. This is the core idea of the integration. The trigger happens in Hubspot, and the action runs in Clickup. Now select Hubspot as your trigger app and choose an event. In Zapier, you will typically search for Hubspot in the list of apps and then pick an event such as something like New Contact, New Deal, or another Hubspot event. In Make, you will do the same thing, choosing Hubspot first, and then selecting the specific event that should start the automation. Take a moment here to decide which Hubspot activity matches the moment you want a task created in Clickup. Once you have selected the event, connect and authorize your Hubspot account. You may be prompted to confirm access permissions. Make sure you choose the correct Hubspot workspace or account if you have more than one. Authorization is important because it allows the automation to read your Hubspot data, like deal names, pipeline information, or contact details. After Hubspot is connected, you will move to Clickup as the next part of the workflow. Select Clickup as your action app and choose an action. Depending on your use case, the action is usually something like creating a new task. In the app list, choose Clickup and then pick the specific action that will run after the Hubspot trigger happens. Next, connect and authorize your Clickup account. Similar to Hubspot, you will confirm access, so Zapier or Make can create tasks in your Clickup space. If your Clickup account has multiple workspaces or spaces, choose the one where you want tasks to be created. Now you are ready for the most important configuration step, mapping your Hubspot fields to your Clickup task fields. Mapping means connecting values from Hubspot to the corresponding fields in Clickup. For example, you will likely map a Hubspot deal name or record name into the Clickup task name. You might also map the description, due date, or other details, depending on what fields your chosen Clickup task action supports. Take your time here and verify that the data you expect from Hubspot is going into the correct place in Clickup. Correct mapping ensures the tasks are immediately useful when they are created. Once your fields are mapped, test the integration and turn it on. Testing usually involves running a sample trigger, so the system can show you what would be created in Clickup. Check the result carefully, especially the task title, description, and any selected list, folder, or due date fields if those are part of your setup. If something looks off, pause and adjust the mapping before you activate the workflow. Finally, when the test looks correct, turn the integration on. You should see a status switch or a button that enables the automation. From that point forward, whenever the Hubspot event occurs, the corresponding task action will run in Clickup automatically based on the mapping you configured. And that covers everything you need to know.